Hello students, welcome to the class on business and society. My name is Rishi Chakraborty. I am assistant professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. Here you will be learning about the scope of sociology. In the introductory part of this particular lecture, I would like to provide you with a brief introduction about sociology. Sociology is an exciting and illuminating field of study that analyzes and explains important matters in our personal lives, our communities, and the world. At the personal level, sociology investigates the social causes and consequences of such things as romantic love, racial, gender identity, family conflict, deviant behavior, aging, and religious faith. At the societal level, sociology examines and explains matters like crime and law, poverty and wealth, prejudice and discrimination, schools and education, business firms, urban community, and social movements. At the global level, sociology studies such phenomena as population growth and migration, war and peace, and economic development. Sociologists emphasizes the careful gathering and analysis of evidence about social life to develop and enrich our understanding of key social processes. The research methods sociologists use are varied. Sociologists observe the everyday life of groups, conduct large-scale surveys, interpret historical documents, analyzes census data, study videotape interactions, interview participants of groups, and conduct laboratory experiments. The research methods and theories of sociology yield powerful insights into the social process shaping human lives and social problems with prospects in the contemporary world. By better understanding of these social problems, we also come to see and understand more clearly the forces shaping the social experiences and outcomes of our lives. The ability to see and understand the connection between broad social forces and personal experiences, what C. Wright Mills called the sociological imagination, is extremely valuable academic preparation for living effective and rewarding personal and professional lives in a changing and complex world. Students who have been well trained in sociology know how to think critically about human social life and how to ask important questions. They know how to design good social research projects. Thank you very much.